Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, September 30th, 2020. Today's video is about Long Island City. Long Island City is a residential and commercial neighborhood located on the extreme western tip of Queens, New York City, on the western edge of Long Island. Incorporated as a separate city in 1870, it was originally the seat of government of the town of Newtown before becoming part of New York City in 1898. Long Island City was once home to many factories and bakeries, some of which are finding new uses, and starting in the early 21st century, it became known for its rapid and ongoing residential growth and gentrification, its waterfront parks, and its thriving arts community. The area has a high concentration of art galleries, art institutions, and studio spaces. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.